Yo, guys, we are going to Rarotonga. The time in Rarotonga. What?
History of Justice.
Cinema 3.
Oh, yeah. Changing everything.
Should have brought my camera, but I've got this my phone. And yeah, fishing charters, 200 meeting point. Yeah. The audio quality is not very good. I'm gonna run back that way.
So who's going to be driving?
I think I should do a lot of that.
Yeah.
Yes, because I'm on hold.
Yep. And
There are a lot of chickens on Rarotonga. I feel like it's spinning a little bit. Well, it is spinning a little bit. Gee, it's just not gonna rain. Need a crossover. Doggy, out of the way. Doggy, come. Come, dog. There's a dog following me. Well, what should we call him? What should we call our friend? What should we call our friend? Mr. Fucking no man. What should we call our friend? We call him T.N.S.
No, this side. Then, because I've been watching the first four up the first four.
Yo guys, we made it to Villiers. Yo, enjoy the montage at Villiers Burgers. Sorry I didn't get any footage of the burger, but I found one on the internet. This is what it looks like.
Up all the way on the top, that's the top. After this one here, we all move to the second stage over there, and then we're going to show you how to drink a coconut milk. You guys want to see us?
Yeah!